Hey guys, there we go. I was looking kind of dark. I'm hot. Sheesh. Welcome back to another video. Y'all, I'm out of breath because I just came from upstairs. So don't judge me. But yeah, I got some shrimp, some corn, and some sausage. I was gonna do potatoes, but those take too long to cook. Oh, you want some sauce? And I got some eat it. And I got some butter, garlic, onion powder, and hot sauce. You know, see that? Ooh, yes. Tastes good. Y'all got my microphone set up. I hope y'all can hear me. Comment and let me know how the sound sounds. How does the sound sound? Let me know if I need to make some adjustments or whatnot, you know, so y'all can enjoy the video better. You want some sauce? Yeah. So you guys, I think I'm gonna try for tomorrow's mukbang. I'm going to do my version of In-N-Out fries, animal style fries. I've been wanting to try you for so long. And I got everything that I need downstairs. Woo, that's hot. So, I think I'm gonna make In-N-Out animal style fries tomorrow. And I love French fries. So that's gonna be a minus. I mean, that's gonna be a plus. Woo-wee. Did y'all hear a mini burp? I don't want to do no hot one. Whew. Tried to do this video while she was asleep, but she woke up. Okay, good. good. I can eat corn all by itself. I just love it. Hey, I should have had like 5 shrimp. But I'm gonna finish these shrimp today. Look at that. Ooh-wee. It's hot, booby. So good. So good. So good. I'm enjoying. The light's flickering. All right, y'all. I gotta end it here because my camera battery is about to die. I apologize. I'm gonna make sure it's fully charged for my In-N-Out fries tomorrow. Let me get some burps in for y'all. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.